What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. It's your boy Emma Graphics, and in this video I will be showing you how to change shade color in CorelDraw, just like as you are seeing on your screen. All right, we are going to change from this red to blue, something like this, or whatever color that you want. Okay, so you can change it. So that's what we are going to do right now. So if you are new here, consider subscribing by clicking on the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future uploads. Without any further ado, let's get to it. So I got this image, this model. I downloaded this image online, so you can use whatever picture you want to use. So once you get your picture, you bring it to your CorelDraw. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just ship this up here. So this is the one that we are going to use. So what the first thing you are going to do, you come to your pen tool, get your pen tool. But you can use any of these. You can use freehand tool. All right, you can use any of these. All right, so I prefer my pen tool. Okay, so all you need to do is to trace. All right, just trace this cloth. So we are going to try to trace this so that we can get the cloth. Okay, so I'm going to be very fast for the purpose of this tutorial because I don't want this video to be long. You guys don't like to watch long videos. So in fact, I've already done this. I've already get the, so I'm just showing you how this is gonna be done. Okay, how I did it. So you're just gonna go through it, take your time and get a perfect shape, okay, of that red. So that's what we want to do since we are going to change the color of this red shade. Okay, so you're just gonna go around, take your time and go around and get to this place. So once you get here, because of time, that's why I'm rushing, so I won't be able to go, make a perfect, cropping, because there is no time for all that. So all you need to do, you just take your time and do your perfect cropping, guys. Just go trace the cloth very well so that you don't have to have some area not okay and some area looks somehow. So you just take your time and do it. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do, once you do this, you select the trace, you select both of them, you select the model, and then on what the, and also the line that you trace. Okay, the red that you trace, we just trace. All right, all you need to do, once you select both of them, you come to intersect. Okay, the third one after this one, the weld, second one, the trim, the third one, which is intersect. Click on it. Once you click on it, so what we need to do, we're going to get rid of this one because we don't need this one anymore. So you delete this. All right, so the only one we need is this. So okay, this is the layer mask we create. Okay, and the next thing you are going to do after all that, you just come to bitmap and click on mode and go to grayscale. Okay, so once you click on grayscale, you have something like this. So you go to bitmap again and you click on just select this and select the model, then click on bitmap and okay, just click on bitmap and convert it to bitmap. Okay, once you click on bitmap, you convert it to bitmap, so 300% as resolution. You click on OK. Once you do that, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on bitmap again and you click on image adjustment lab. So under this image adjustment lab, you come to your temperature and then play around with this temperature, then whatever color that suits you. So you just go around and play with this. So I'm looking for something like blue, so you can just click on, maybe try to get blue. Okay, take saturation up. All right, so you get something like this. You can have something like this if that's what you want. You click on OK, so you have something like this, guys. So once you do this, the last thing you are going to do, you click on bitmap again. Just look for, if you have a fader blur, the fader one, so you can use, I just have a Gaussian blur, and just use 2 pixel. Okay, and just add 2 pixel or 1.8. Yeah, I will be fine like this. So guys, this is how you change the color of this. So as you can see red. That's the reason why I say you should trace, take your time and trace the cloth very well. So once you do that, that's how you get it all right. So whatever color you want to, you can just apply. So you can see that we were able to come remove change these clothes rather from red to blue. So I think we have come to the end of this video. Kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video so that other people can benefit from it. So I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.